What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Sony XM5 headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. Before I begin resetting the headphone, a couple things you should know. Resetting the headphone will not make you lose any registration or pairing info for the headphone, and you won't lose any settings that you set in the Sony app. So now that I told you about that, let me show you how to reset the headphone. So first, you want to make sure that it is plugged in to the charging port. And once the headphone is being charged, as you can see here, I have orange because the headphone needs to be recharged. But once it's plugged in, you're going to find your power and noise cancellation button, and you're just going to press both of them at the same time. Not press and hold, just press them once at the same time. And this light is going to disappear for a couple seconds and then come back. So let's do that now. As you can see, a couple seconds, it's going to go away, and now it's come back, and that means it has been reset. So this was my video on how to reset your Sony XM5 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.